guys, welcome back to my channel, Keeping Up with Q. So from the title of today's video, you guys can tell this is going to be my first day of class. Get ready with me. So yeah, before we get into this video, make sure you guys give this video a huge thumbs up, comment down below and let me know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, join the Q Mafia, because I'm lit, y'all lit, so we lit together, period. I know I look and sound a mess, but yeah, it's like 7:22 and y'all, I'm already basically late for my first day because my first class is at 8 o'clock. I still have to brush my teeth, wash my face, make my bed up, and try to get on this computer and pull everything up, because crazy thing is, y'all, they didn't put everything on like the website until today, this morning. It's definitely time for me to get ready, so this is what I'm gonna wear for my first day online. Of course, it's not gonna be nothing jazzy because, like I said, we online, so I'm gonna be in my room. We just went with graphic t-shirt from Shein, some black biker shorts, and that's it. So we got to pull out my planner. I'm gonna turn this TV off because that's not gonna work right now. So today I have bio from 8 o'clock to 8:50. Then I have my stat class right after from 9 to 9:50. Then I have linear algebra right after from 10 to 10:50. And then after that I also have my bio lab. So from my understanding, we're actually supposed to start working. So let's see. Oh, and I already have my textbook for this class. Yeah, I was actually taking this class last semester, but it was also at 8 o'clock. And like I told y'all, if you're not a morning person, don't do it. But this is the only time this class is offered. So I'm here again, and I already have the books. Whoopsie-zoo. Whoopsie-doo. So yeah. This is my bio book right here. So I have the book, my notebook, my planner. I think that's all I'm gonna need for right now. Okay, so like I was telling y'all, they didn't put everything on here until this morning. So I'm just about to go through on my own and look at what he has so far, because I have the same professor and everything from last semester, which is crazy. But welcome to Bio 122. Before you begin week 1 of the course, please visit the Getting Started section where you will find the syllabus, team code, and other. Okay, I have the team code. Also, I know with him, if he's still keeping it the same as last semester, I think we have quizzes every Friday. They were already online anyway, so. So I just finished my first online course for my senior year. Y'all, I can't believe I'm a senior in college, period. Like, Period. Period. But all we did in that class was go over the syllabus. Class was supposed to end at 8:50, but we literally just went over the syllabus. Like I said, I'm just about to look at the schedule that we're supposed to have for this semester with the class. Then I'm gonna just go through and fill that in on my planner. Yeah, and then wait for my class to start at 9 o'clock. So I just finished doing my planner for the class, weekly assignments, and for the semester. And surprisingly, just for this week, I just have to read a chapter and then take my quiz on Friday. We have till Sunday to complete it. So I told myself this year I wasn't going to procrastinate. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually read the chapter today, take notes on that, and then Friday when we get online for our class, that chapter is going to be what he's discussing. So take notes off there. And then my hope is to take it by Friday. I don't want to wait till the last minute. So yeah. Right now, I know I'm just eating this applesauce, and I'm about to drink this apple juice. Not apple juice, this Capri Sun, just because I still have time. Cause it's like 8:30 something, and I'll have my next class till 9 o'clock. I'm gonna just see y'all in the next clip, because I honestly think I'm gonna film again once I finish all my classes, because I'm pretty sure it's gonna be the same thing. Y'all, I've officially finished my first day of online classes. Period. Talk about boring. Like only one class that said we was gonna learn stuff. We actually learned stuff. Everything else was going over the syllabus. So I just have to take a quiz and read. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that and knock it out the way, because I don't know, because I'm kind of hungry too. I'm low-key debating on if I'm gonna go to the gym today. I don't know. Today, low-key, I don't know. I don't know. So I low-key might make something to eat because I'm hungry. Might make something quick and then work on homework. I don't know if I'm the only person that still eat these. The little Chef Boyardee. I don't know if I'm the only person, but I might make this or like some noodles. I have a TV dinner. No, I'm just go with this. I'm gonna make this. It's gonna be like my lunchtime, you know. And then I'm gonna take that quiz and start reading my stuff for today. Oh, y'all, let me tell y'all. So please tell me why I get on one of my classes, matter of fact my second to last class. So for one, the lady was late. She was late. She was like 10 minutes late. As soon as everybody was like leave, she was late. So as soon as she finally comes on, she starts talking, pulls up the syllabus, my computer dies. I'm thinking all night my computer was charging. It was not. My computer died in the middle of it, but luckily with like MacBooks, you just gotta plug it up and it'll turn back on, and my stuff was still up. But y'all, I was so mad. And then when I got on my last call, y'all, please tell me why my Zoom login was still on my grandma's account. So it came up and it had her name. My professor was just kind of like, who is so-and-so? And I said, oh shoot, it still got my grandma's stuff on here, so I had to change that. But I can't believe my computer died. But yeah, I'm about to make this and get started on my work. Okay guys, so this is the end of my first day get ready with me plus mini vlog. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did and you want to see more stuff like this, just comment down below and let me know, and I definitely will. Make sure you guys give this video a huge thumbs up, comment down below and let me know what you think, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to join the Q Mafia, because I'm lit, y'all lit, so we made it together, period. And I will see you guys in my next video.